Today we're diving deep into the breathtaking 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS. A symphony of performance, design, and open-top exhilaration. This is more than a car. It's a declaration from Maranello that grand touring can still be spine-tingling. Let's start with the front. Aggressive, sculpted, and unmistakably Ferrari. The 2026 model features a reworked fascia with sharper LED matrix headlights that flow seamlessly into the pronounced hood creases. The massive front grille isn't just for show. It channels airflow with purpose, cooling the monstrous engine while lending the car an intimidating presence. Ferrari has subtly tweaked the aerodynamics, adding active air flaps and a redesigned front splitter for better downforce without compromising elegance. Slide around to the side and you'll notice the long, muscular proportions remain true to the 812 bloodline, but with more refined surfaces and deeper side intakes. The retractable hardtop folds away in just 14 seconds, at speeds up to 30 mph, letting you enjoy that naturally aspirated V12 in all its raw glory. Riding on 21-inch forged alloys with carbon ceramic brakes behind, the stance is wide, low, and pure Ferrari, ready to pounce. Inside the cabin is a mix of traditional craftsmanship and next-generation tech. Leather and Alcantara are stitched to perfection, with carbon fiber trimming everything from the center console to the door panels. The dual display layout remains driver-focused, but now includes an upgraded infotainment system and more intuitive, haptic controls. Even the passenger gets a dedicated display to monitor performance stats, a nod to the thrill this car shares with everyone inside. The seats are snug but surprisingly comfortable for longer drives, with power adjustments, heating, and ventilation now standard. Move to the rear and things get even more dramatic. The quad tailpipes roar beneath a reshaped diffuser, while slim, LED taillights and a sculpted deck lid make a strong statement. Ferrari has refined the active rear aero for better high-speed stability, and it shows. Every inch of the back end screams purpose. Under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 that now produces a staggering 830 horsepower, with a red line at 9,500 RPM. It launches from 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds and tops out near 201 mph. Power delivery is immediate, linear, and utterly addictive. Ferrari's side slip control and improved rear-wheel steering keep things planted, even as you push the limit. Starting at around $430,000, the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS is anything but subtle. But for those seeking unfiltered driving pleasure with topless refinement, there's nothing else like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. This is Gearstorm, and we'll see you in the next ride.